We got right here.
So I'm here right now with
Brandon Simmons.
shout out your channel, YouTube, man. Follow him,
Yeah.
subscribe, man. He's got his Type R right here.
Yeah.
Tell us a little bit about this, man. So what you got going on?
All right, cool. So from the factory, it's cool. So this car, it's a 2021 CTR Civic Type R. It's Boost Blue. So Boost Blue is a limited color for 2020 and 2021. I'm sure a lot of you already know that follow the FK8 scene. FK8 is the latest version of the Type R in the United States. And I just picked this up. So this one from the factory came factory installed at the dealership with upgraded real carbon fiber hood scoop.
Real carbon fiber.
So we got a real carbon fiber hood scoop.
My phone.
You can, if you see it up close here, it's nighttime, but it looks real nice. So, and then we got here, we got the Brembo brakes here. The big brake kit.
Those are legit.
And the stopping power on these is incredible. You got the Continental tires here, the summer tires. These are pretty much from the factory, 20-inch wheels, ready for the track. You got the upgraded carbon fiber mirror caps.
Mirror caps, and
yes,
what's this?
This here, a lot of people don't know it, but I'll point it out, or they might. This is actually fake carbon fiber, but it does have the carbon fiber pattern, so you don't get real carbon fiber from the factory with these. Wow. You also don't get it with your vented inserts right here. That's just a plastic insert, but you can upgrade those to real carbon fiber, which I've done. I just ordered those parts and we'll be putting them on soon. Come back here.
Check out the spoiler. Spoiler alert, spoiler alert.
Yes, sir. You got your real carbon fiber spoiler. Normally from the factory, these don't come with a real carbon fiber spoiler, but I did have that installed with the factory upgrades. And then right here, I did upgrade my exhaust. This is the ARC DTS exhaust. In my opinion, it does have some drone, but it's a beautiful exhaust. I really like that it's all flush. There's some other options out there, but the tone on this, I think, is stellar. And if you guys want to follow my channel, it would be, if you guys can read this, rated R. I just thought it was a spin on Type R, of course, and thought that was pretty cool. So you can follow me at rated_R_21 is my Instagram. So if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, please go over there, shoot me a follow and a like. That'd be awesome. I do have some videos. You can go to my channel on YouTube as well, which you're watching right now. And please like and subscribe. Click that thumbs up. Let me show you a couple more things here. So we got from the factory, not all Type Rs come with this. This is the illuminated Type R door seals. And with the 2021, a big reason I wanted this car, it also has the upgraded real carbon fiber. You're not going to get that on a standard Type R from the factory. This was all done at the dealership, and these are accessory upgrades that you can buy, which they had put on the car for me. Now, I also have the Type R leather wrapped shift knob, and you can see my serial number there is what?
R43308. 43,308 out of 60,000, you said?
I believe there's about 60,000 Type Rs. Correct me if I'm wrong out there, guys. That's something I've been interested to know too, but I believe there's about 60,000 Type Rs in the world. So these are, like I said, this color in Boost Blue, I think it's beautiful. I've owned 3 Type Rs, and the only reason I have this Type R is because it's the last year they're making the FK8. There's more to come next year. Personally, some people don't like the aggressive style of the FK8, but I really like it. I think the aggressive tone is awesome. Everything's super functional. It's an overall beautiful car. Check this out. Come back here, one more thing. Look at this, hatchback, okay?
Ooh.
This is cool. Like, you don't get this in your everyday sedan. Like, you put these seats down. I have hauled wood from Home Depot, toolboxes, and it's not even full.
Spacious.
And I had a
lot of roomy. It's roomy.
Oh, super roomy, man. But anyways, guys, me and Dave are here. We're about ready to go hoop it up, but I just want to do a quick tutorial. I will say one more thing. Interior on these.
What kind of leather is that again?
Yeah, so they upgraded in 2020, I believe, to the Alcantara leather wrapped steering wheel. So it's beautiful. It's two-tone contrasting with the seats, if you want to show the seats off there. So you've got your Alcantara seats that are leather, of course. They're super bolstered. really comfortable. I mean, I'm a decently big guy, but like if you're a smaller guy, man, these will like really hug you.
Yeah.
And they come like this from the factory. So mine also came with the upgraded cell phone charger right there. If you show them that,
Right in the
that's
middle
an
there.
upgrade as well.
Console.
I appreciate
I
it,
see
bro.
you drove around 2 days ago. I'm in the end.
Oh, nice. Man. I'm
Yeah,
Brady.
yeah.
Yeah, for sure, man. I was just doing a quick little tutorial because this is my boy, we're gonna hoop, but he's like,
Dude.
tell us a little bit about the car. So.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you're gonna be on our channel. Who's this guy, bro?
Yeah.
Get you on our channel.
Hey, this is after you can follow me on Instagram at cyberboy cybr.boy.
That's cool.
I got a
Yeah.
Pulsar GTI R, right-hand drive,
Nice.
SR20.
Dang, bro.
And then this is my wife.
Nice.
I was really considering the Type R.
Yeah. Are you in the Veloster?
Yeah. It's
You careful, we check it
Go
out.
ahead, man. Yeah.
Hey.
Nice. All right. Got a bonus.
Hey. Bonus round.
Bonus in the vid, man. Tell us a little bit about your car. What do you got here?
It's a 2021.
Yeah.
8-speed dual clutch transmission, so it's automatic. Only reason I got it is because my wife is driving that. I'm driving the other one.
Yeah. This thing's nice, dude. Hey, bro, look at those seats. I've never seen that before. That was awesome.
It's a decent car. Obviously, nothing compared to the Type R. It's
Nah, man.
like
It's
10,000 cheaper, but
No, it's all good, man.
it's a
Yeah.
So this is a. You said it's a dual clutch.
yeah, 8-speed.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
I don't know a ton about these. This is the first one I've seen in person, like up close like this.
Right.
So tell us a little bit about some
bad.
differences, I guess.
So it's got an ELSD active exhaust.
Okay. So we got exhaust.
So active dampering. There's a little flap on the right on the.
Yeah.
Sorry, I just got out of the gym.
No, you're good, bro.
Alright,
You're good. My bad. I didn't mean to put you on the spot, but I was like, bro,
Nah,
we're
I'm
doing a video right now. Let's shoot this. So.
About cars. So.
Yeah.
Man, what kind of brake pads you got on here? Brake.
Just stock. It's all it all
Nice.
came as is. So
Okay.
haven't done anything to it other than
I love this red trim on here,
Yeah.
man. That's sick.
It's honestly, bro, all those little like the seats.
Like,
I freaking
little details,
I love
right?
that. Like that. Look at those seats, bro. Do you care if we open it
Go
up?
ahead.
Oh yeah, if you don't mind.
Get in. Yeah.
Check this interior out, guys.
Wow.
So Hyundai,
That
Hyundai
is
got the designer
soft,
for
smooth.
BMW M cars
Yeah.
to work on their new lineup and lineup.
Right.
So that's like a That's inspired from BMW.
No, this thing's. So, do you know what the horsepower is on these?
It's at like 285 crank.
Okay.
So I want to say like 240 wheel.
Okay.
It's got a little tune on it, but
Okay.
and that's pretty much all I've done to it.
And these are all-wheel drive.
No,
Or-
front-wheel
they're
drive.
front-wheel drive?
Unfortunately, yeah.
That's
But
all
I
right.
mean, It's got ELSD, no torque steer. It's almost
Yeah.
kind of like the
Real-
Type R.
Sure. Real similar setup. And then you've got so you've got front-wheel drive.
Front-wheel drive.
Do you have like adaptive suspension?
Yeah,
or anything?
adaptive suspension,
Okay.
exhaust. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, it's got all the bells and whistles.
And what year is this one?
2021.
21.
Yeah.
That's mine too. 21,
Yeah,
bro.
there you go.
That's cool.
Man.
Did you get it PPF'd at all yet?
No, not yet. So I bought it used.
Okay.
So fortunately, I found it used, a little cheaper than brand new.
Oh,
The guy went and he fucked the paint up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get it. What do you call it? Yeah, buff. We get buff and ceramic coat. Yeah, ceramic.
So this here, I'm assuming full fiber, but it's got the
It's
carbon
got the
fiber
look,
look.
you know?
Yeah, check that out, dude.
That is
Carbon
dope.
fiber look. You
That
got
spoiler.
You got the rear spoiler diffuser here. You got your
Spoiler
diffuser down
diffuser.
here. Dang, man. And then do your vents actually? They're actually vented.
No.
They're not. Okay.
They're not.
So you know that's the big complaint
Yeah,
on
that's
the
a
Type
big.
R.
Yeah, that's a
Yeah.
big vents
Big
there.
vents.
As
Hey,
far as I
bro.
know, that's it. That's the only fake vents on
And
this
then
car.
do you get Brembos up front?
No Brembo. So
No Brembo.
Hyundai actually designed a brake kit that can compare to a Brembo.
Okay.
But it's not actually a Brembo. So I want to say just as good, but not
So
as expensive. That's what I would say.
no, for sure. I appreciate you walking us through, man. So I'm assuming you guys want to see a startup and see these headlights. Do you care, bro?
Go ahead. Yeah.
We got to see a
Oh,
startup
man.
with this exhaust. So I want to see how these headlights look too. And then we'll go back there and we'll do the startup. Woo! I like those, man.
Man,
Those look cool.
I like those too. Those look nice.
Can you, yeah. Ooh, those look nice, man. Can you flip your brights on? Yeah.
Ooh,
That looks clean, man.
that's clean.
We're gonna go back here. I'll let you do a startup. All right. Ooh, that sounds nice. Oh yeah, man. No, yeah. Oh, you have it. Oh, you can. It's got a butterfly valve.
Yeah.
Is that all factory?
It's all factory.
Wow, that's nice.
Here it is with it open.
Okay. Wow.
Dang, that's badass.
Let me hear with it closed real quick.
Okay, here's it closed.
Okay. 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 Now one more comparison with it open. Let's get. Oh, that sounds mean.
Woo.
That sounds good.
Nice for a Hyundai, right?
Hey,
Man, that's badass. I want one now.
I'm gonna tell you right now. I don't know how that sounds in person or like over the YouTube, but man, it sounds really nice in person. Do you
And
guys
this-
agree? I think that sounds good.
Yeah, I think so. Even on this iPhone SE 2020, but you know what I'm saying? Like, we out here, man.
Hey, no, I appreciate it.
Awesome.
I'm Brandon. Man.
Brandon,
This is
nice to meet
David.
you.
This is
Hey, David.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So shout out your channel one more time on Instagram.
So cybr.boy cyberboy. I'm also on YouTube. I got a couple videos of my old Infiniti at a little V8, but that's it. Yeah.
Nice, bro.
Appreciate you.
Yeah, no,
All
I
right.
appreciate
Nice
it.
looking. I love
Yeah,
that
I was
blue.
showing him around. So,
I love that.
all right, guys.
Yeah,
Well,
good night.
you're good, bro. So
Have a
we
good one.
Appreciate it. Like I said, if you guys have any questions, please, like and subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up. I appreciate you guys watching. We're just out here, like, honestly trying to hit the gym real quick. So,
Yeah, we
well, we
this
wanted to
is a
show you-
great,
Yeah, that was a cool bonus round. So,
man.
all
I just
right,
can't
man.
get enough of this. I mean, look at that beauty. You called, and then what's this color again?
It's Boost Blue.
Boost blue.
Yep, Boost Blue. So,
Sick,
yeah, for sure.
man.
Now I want to go race.
All right, see you in part 2 when we race
All right.
the Veloster.
Hey,
Who wants to
leave
see a part
comment
2?
Below, a comment below if you want me and Edgar. Hey, Edgar. Yo. Hey, hold up for a sec, 'cause I gotta get your number. I'm asking him right now if they want to see us line up eventually.
Oh, sure.
So I gotta get his number. So I'm gonna get Edgar's number. Yeah, you're good, bro. So I'm gonna get Edgar's number, and we just met, but this guy's a cool cat, and I don't know. We're gonna line up the Veloster and the Type R, and so please comment below and hang around for part 2 of this video if you'd like to see that. So
Let us know what your pick is.
Yes.
The Type R,
who's gonna win?
who's gonna win, but also what you like about each car. Who's gonna win this though? We got this lineup coming up.
We got Civic Type R,
Civic Type R.
2021 in Boost Blue, and we got the 2021 Hyundai Veloster. So it'll be fun. I'm sure that we all have our opinion, but this will be cool. So appreciate you guys watching, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks so much.
Peace.
Peace.